are in Excel, and today I want to show you just quickly how you can freeze panes to look at data. So let's say we're looking at EWIMS data, right? And we have our status for the kids here. We've got 900 numbers, first and last names, and we want to scroll across and we want to see their status in a particular indicator. We scroll across and we lose those names, or we scroll down and we lose the columns across the top. So let me just show you quickly how to freeze this. So the way to do it is to find the cell that's to the right of the column that you want to freeze, and below the row that you want to freeze. So this cell right here is below the header row, and it's just to the right of my name. So if I click on that row and then I click on freeze panes up here at the top, which I am in the view menu, and I click on freeze panes, now I have frozen the panes to the left of this cell and above this cell. Now when I scroll down, I don't lose my header, and when I scroll across, I don't lose my columns. This way I can read the kids' names as I scroll across and look at their average daily attendance, or if I go all the way over to look at their enrollment start or their suspension count, whatever I'm looking at, those columns will freeze, as well as when I go up and down, the header will freeze. So that's how you do it. Just select the cell to the right and underneath the cell that you want to keep in place. Select that cell and then hit freeze panes, and you'll be all set. You can scroll at will and it'll save the names and the headers. Have a great day.